Good morning, students. Welcome to my online class. Today I am going to teach you Standard 4 Social Studies, Lesson 1, that is History. Hope you all know what is history. Come, let us see what is written in our textbook. History is a record of the past events in a sequential order. It is the study of the past. It gives us a detailed account of the people who lived before us. It deals with the social, religious, economic, political, and cultural aspects of the earlier civilization. It is a written account which relates to important events like war, revolution, invention, discoveries, etc., and explain their why and how. History reveals the growth and progress of the humans. I want to explain you what is history. Listen carefully. History is the study of the past, especially the past of human beings. Though we use the term history to generally to talk about the past. As a field or a subject, history especially refers to the time that can be proved by written records. This means that history refers to a time or period after writing was discovered. Thus, history is an area that deals with written records of the past. Let us understand what is prehistory and history. Prehistory, as the name suggests, it means the period of time before written records. This period refers to the time when humans had not developed the art of writing. The study of tools, pottery, bones, weapons, caves, and their paintings, etc., tell us about the life of the people at that time. History, it refers to the period of written records. It studies the writing on rocks, bars of trees, pillars, copper, plates, and paper. It also studies the ancient manuscripts written on dried palm leaves. Students, I am going to explain you what is prehistory. The term prehistory literally means before history. Prehistory can be defined as a time period where no written records exist or time before writing system were introduced. It refers to the period from the time human life beings first appears on the earth to the period time where writing was introduced, developed and used. Since the evolution of human civilization differ from civilization to civilization. See what is the main difference between history and prehistory. History can be generally defined as the past and how past relates to the human lives. The main difference between history and prehistory is the existence of record. History is the recorded events of the past, whereas prehistory is the time before writing was introduced. Therefore, it is clear that prehistory, as the name suggests, is the time period before history. I think, students, you all have understood today's topic. Please write down today's homework. What is the main difference between history and prehistory? Thank you for listening my online class. Take care. Bye.